Alright, just a little disclaimer before I start. The video title is not wrong. My car is still in the shop. I do not know if it's totaled or not.
I think it's closed. That's open. Let's... Oh, perfect timing. Hello? Yes, sir. I'm in my garage right now. What's up? So nice. Alright, so today's video is gonna be installing the Varix exhaust, the XForce exhaust with the Varix muffler onto the GTI, and Anthony's gonna help me out, and should be a relatively quick install, hopefully maybe not too long, but if you haven't seen the unboxing video, go check that out. But other than that, let's get started. We're gonna jack up the front. Yes, we jacked up the front, and then we're gonna undo the portion connected to the cat. Loosen these bolts, that's a 13. And then the bolts for the brace right here, and that's also a 13. Then I'm gonna go jack up the back of the car so I can take out the hose out. So it looks like we gotta unbolt this bolt, and then the same two bolts on the back of the car holding the two rear hangers. Do that, you can pull out the whole thing. Yeah, just came right out. Lower the back of the jack. It's not. Wait, back up. It's really light. It's hell. Not that loud. Oh, it's not stupid loud. Yeah. It's loud though. It's just a really... Oh! I got it. Yeah? Sick! I'm gonna put the exhaust together. I'm gonna switch to the other camera so I can go under and record. And should be done in about... I give myself an hour. I'll give myself 1 hour. Right now is... Right now it is 5:24. Until 6:30. I should be done at 6:30. Just to put it out there, the exhaust doesn't come with a new clamp, so you have to reuse the OEM clamp. So the short side is actually the front, and it slips into here, where it gets compression clamped onto the exhaust itself. So like this, super easy, super simple. Nothing complicated actually. It's very easy to install. You can do this at home. It just takes a little time. Be patient because you should not hurt yourself. Okay, I totally lied. It's 6:55. It's way over what I said earlier, but it's because I bought some gasket sealant just because, you know, I realized talking to some people that it's good to have gasket sealant, and this is good for, I think, it's good from 263 to 263C and 500, I think, F. Alright, so let's finish this up because I want to go inside because it's getting cold, it's getting dark, and the sun is gonna set in about 1 to 2 hours. Alright, last thing I need about the control system for the muffler, which is this wire and the cigarette lighter. I'm planning to hardwire, like I said earlier, but that's later on. So what you do is, I've been just looking all over, but the main thing you gotta do is Go in the trunk, open the back, go under the spare. There is a grommet. What I figured out was right here, in the end of the trunk right here, I found the hole for the grommet. This is the exhaust shield right here. So what you can do is take the grommet, poke a hole, and then what you're gonna do is route the 2-pin black wire through it and into the bottom of the car, and then to the muffler. So once you do that, route it all nicely so that it doesn't get caught on anything, and you'll be good to go.
That's closed?
I think it's closed. That's open. Alright, so again, more mods coming in the future. And this car is gonna get some more love. I have to wash him, but he is a little very dirty from leaving him outside overnight. Unfortunately, leaving him under a big fat tree is not the most ideal way to keep him clean. So, gonna give him a little car wash, and that ends the vlog for today. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it's helpful for anybody trying to install this exhaust in particular, because it is a little complicated, just a little bit. So, like the video, subscribe, tell your friends, and hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye!